So is this what you do when I leave, huh? This is what you do. Go into the refrigerator. Raid in the refrigerator when I'm at work, huh? What am I going to do with you all? I feed you good. Give you flea spray when you need it. You all got your shots, you're fixed. You can have all the fun you want. And this is how you treat me. You go into my refrigerator when I'm at work. Drink my Mike's hard cherry, huh? Eat all my tortilla chips and dip. I mean, look at you. You gotta be 10 pounds overweight. Jeez. I think I'm gonna go down to the Petco and see if they got any nice thin cats that they're gonna give away, okay? Maybe I'll make a trade. What do you think of that? Come on, speak up. It's your last chance. Nothing.